Hello guys and welcome to Robot Squad. So today we are going to be looking at how to make a basic HTML calculator app using HTML and JavaScript. So first we are just going to get the default HTML. Title is going to be HTML calculator, and in the body we are going to take some inputs. So first operand 1 and input type input number, name operand 1. We don't need any default value for this, and id op1. so next is going to be so the name is going to be operand 2 and op2, so br and operand 2. And finally we're going to add in our addition subtraction buttons. So button, and the id is going to be id equal to add and add. Now we're just going to copy and paste this 4 times, and now we are just going to type in subtract cv mul multiplication and division, and finally we are going to add in a script tag. So script src and script.js. Now I'm going to add in a script.js here. Now first we are going to add a event listener. So document dot get element by id add dot add event listener, click function, and what we are going to do here is get the operand values. So in one line we are going to just type it out. So what we are going to do is, oh yeah, I forgot again. We are just going to go back over here, add a div, and this div is going to be our answer. So id answer, and add subtract multiply and divide. So now document dot get element by id. This is going to be our answer element dot inner html equal to parseInt, and it's going to be document dot get element by id op1 dot value plus again parseInt op2 dot value. And I guess that's all for addition. Now we are just going to take this and copy paste it 4 times. Control V and Control V. So that, and this is going to be for subtraction, multiplication and division, and finally subtraction minus division and finally slash. So right now we are not doing any error handling as such. So yeah, now we can test it. Go live and let's add 2, subtract 0, multiply 1, divide also 1. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.